Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. This one is again going to be a roller coaster, a really quick one. I want to thank Mayuresh, Mera bhai, and Shreyas, and there was someone else also who requested this song. I'm really sorry, I skipped the name, but please, okay, my energies are with you, my thoughts are with you, my wishes are with you. Okay, so we're going to do this song really quick. So let's do Kya Hua Jo Laaree Choote. These are the chords, the strumming pattern, very easy, very crisp. And the chords are A minor, F, C and G. Super easy. Basic chords. The strumming pattern goes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. This is normal island strumming. I'm going to use almost all my fingers, okay? I'm using almost all my fingers while I'm strumming. It brings a different punk in your music when you're playing the ukulele. I'll link a video related to it. You can watch it if you want to, and yeah, let's get cracking. You can play the first two lines of the song a bit differently as well to make it more easier. अगर आप बिल्कुल ही beginner हैं, then you can play it like this. किस्मत का खेल है सारा, and then go to F. फिरता था मैं आवारा. Okay, or you can go with me as I'm doing. किस्मत का खेल है सारा, फिरता था मैं आवारा. So I'm splitting both the lines and playing on A minor and F. Choose whatever you want to do. Let's go with the song. तो वो कहते हैं ना, जो होता है अच्छा के नहीं होता है. सही कहते हैं. किस्मत का खेल है सारा, फिरता था मैं आवारा. ये क्या से क्या हो गया. 4 दिन की जिंदगानी, हर पल एक नई कहानी. क्या था मैं क्या बन गया. क्या हुआ जो लारे छूटे, जीवन की गाड़ी लूटे. ख्वाब है तो मुझको ना जगा. जिंदगी एक पल में प्यारी, यूं बदल गए हमारे. ख्वाब है तो मुझको ना जगा. क्या हुआ जो लारे छूटे, जीवन की गाड़ी लूटे. ख्वाब है तो मुझको ना जगा. So thank you all so much for bringing me this song. This song was amazing. I know I tweaked it a bit. I'm sorry if you didn't like it, but I just did it to match my thoughts and energies, and it really worked for me. It worked miracle for me. I was just feeling 10 times more energetic and happy when I was singing it that way. So thank you so much, and I really hope that you sing this song and enjoy it even more. Thank you all so much. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. I love you all.